Today we'll be going through a calorimetry lab. It's basically where you burn stuff and see how much energy was produced. So to do this, we'll have to have something that will be burned. And for this, we will have a 5-gram marshmallow. Alright, so we will need something to burn it with, and the most typical thing to burn it with is a Bunsen burner. That is in a chemistry class at least. And then, to measure the energy, we can have an aluminum can. In this aluminum can, we will have 100 grams of water. And then we'll have a thermometer to measure how much the temperature increases with the water, and that will determine how much energy is produced when the marshmallow is being burned. We will insulate this with some aluminum foil so the fewest amount of energy gets released as possible and we have the most accurate data. Now, let's say we go through the reaction. We find out that after we burn the marshmallow that we have 2 grams of marshmallow remaining. And let's say that this changes, what's a good number? 10 degrees. So now we put this in the equation Q equals MCAT. In this equation, Q is the amount of energy in joules, M is the mass of the water, C is the specific heat of water, which is 4.18. It's an important number to remember. And the delta T is that 10 degrees that the thermometer went up. So, let me write that better. Alright, now if we plug this in our calculator, we'll end up with a number looking like this. Now, this is in joules, so what we have to do is we have to divide this by 1,000 kilojoules. And that will give us the original 4.18. Now, since we had 2 grams of marshmallow remaining, that means that we burned 3 grams of marshmallow. So, to find how many kilojoules per gram, we would divide that 4.18 by 3. And we would get a resulting number of 1.39 kilojoules per gram. Now, I believe I covered just about everything, so I will now make a problem for you guys to do. Let's say that in this problem we have a really big soda can and we have 200 grams of water. And we started with the 6-gram marshmallow and we burned 5 grams. And let's say that our delta T was 15 degrees. Now you can go through that problem on your own and you should get an answer of 2.508 kilojoules per gram. Remember to plug this into the equation Q equals MCAT, and don't forget that C is at 4.18. Alright, that should be it.